Hi. Well, this channel is about software engineers and programmers. We talk about any content about this, about it. And first of all, I will present myself. I am a software engineer about 10 years. My first job I got in 2010 as a PHP programmer. And since then, I have been working with a lot of applications and companies, mainly with the PHP skill. In this video, I will talk about how can proactivity can help you in your job as a programmer. To talk about it, I will give you an example about myself as a software engineer. When I worked for e-commerce application few years ago, I arose a big problem in this application related with the process of adding product to the cart, because when the client clicked on the button of adding products, the product was not keeping on the cart. So all the members of the team was asked to resolve this problem, me as well. It lasted 2 days until another programmer find the solution that are just one external request of external API that it was not working properly. So this problem with this external API was avoiding this process of adding products to the cart. It lasted 2 days until another program of my own team resolved it. At the beginning of this problem, I was asked to resolve it as well, as I said, and I started to debugging and implementing tests in the code flow responsible for adding products to the cart. And why I did not discover the real problem of this source issue, but I found a new way of adding products to the cart faster than actually it was. And I presented this solution for my superiors, for the tech leader, tech manager, team leader, and they asked for me to implement this solution because they liked it a lot, because it could improve the solution, decreasing the time, the lapse time of adding products to the cart. So after they asked for me to implement this solution, or not, I will not say as a solution, but improvement. So I started to implement. It was very important for me because it really improved my code flow, my clean code skills, and I started to implement this solution, this improvement, So I delivered the solution, and my superiors, I decreased the time, the elapsed time from adding prod to the cart from 2 seconds. But it was between 1 and 2 seconds, which was very delayed time. But anyway, I decreased this time from 1-2 seconds for few milliseconds. It was a very big improvement that I implemented. What I mean about it, what about this? Why am I talking about this to you? This is about it, be proactive. And since the beginning of this problem, of this issue that arose in this application, I started immediately to debugging the code and thinking in the solution, not in the problem. And it helped me, because when we focus on solution, we attract the solution and with real life. Mainly when we talk about a professional life. So a big problem that arose in this application that moved and asked the entire team members of this company to encounter the solution. So with this problem, any client was able to create orders in the e-commerce application. Being proactive was a good strength for me, because it helped me to not to gain a big salary. My salary was good in this time. Not to gain another thing in this job, but I think again one thing that any money can pay, that are our reputation. When you follow a line, reputation line on our professional life, this will help us in the future. Make sure of this. One thing I want to say, that I want to be careful with you, that in all my problems and issues that I face in my job and my professional skills, I like to resolve this problem in the same day, in the maximum in the same day. So I don't wait for another team or another person to help me. I like to resolve the problem immediately. So this is my tip in this video. Be proactive. This can help you now or in the future. No wait for this at all. Just do the right thing in your life, on your professional life, and any moments of your future or in the present, when you are fired or you are available as a software engineer to work in another company and you have no job, this can help you make sure of this. So I am not the better software engineer that you meet in your life. I am a good software engineer. I consider me a good software engineer, and this behavior can help you in your life. Thank you. Subscribe on my channel to help us to share more content about software engineer and the programmers. See you.